Gotta start the day off with some good vibes before we get on these charts. See what we get today. Hopefully today's a good day. It's Tuesday. Let's see what we got. Let's start prepping. Yo, this Beyonce album is so hard. Like, the lyrics, the delivery, the beats, crazy. I like rap too, but sometimes you gotta be in a different vibe. All right, let's see what we got on Dixie. Hold on, let Beyonce hit this part real quick. Gotta have your mind right before you get on the chart. Whatever it is. I already prayed and meditated. Now we just vibing out. How I feel about trading, the love of my life. All right, let's get to it. Here we have the Dixie. And what I see on the Dixie, right? This swing high on this weekly candle right here. Probably a liquidity pool. If we go down, it's probably a key level. Like, okay. So daily, you see that swing high right here. 1, 2, 3. Also have a swing high here. And it's looking pretty bullish as far as the Dixie goes, the dollar index. So I'm expecting this to probably keep pushing up and maybe go get some liquidity here. I'm gonna look on a lower time frame to see if there's gonna be like any resistance or reversal points that would turn it around before doing so. But like, I'm just thinking bigger picture. Dixie up. It also has another reason to go up because we have that this liquidity here, and then we have this volume imbalance, this daily volume imbalance. So a lot of reasons for Dixie to push up. So we should be seeing indices and foreign exchange currencies. We should be seeing them push down. So let's see. Sometimes they be going the same way, which is irritating. You can't use them for opposite correlation, but if they're going opposite ways, then obviously we can capitalize on that. So let's start with the NASDAQ. All right, so I mean, we do have, actually, let's do this real quick. Show y'all a quick cheat code. When you're looking at the future charts, let me show you guys a quick cheat code. Daily. Show you guys a quick cheat code. Let me see if it works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But let's find the gaps in the market, the real gaps. We got this volume imbalance right here. Where there's just like price action that wicked through. So no real volume there. So if price is going to push down on the NASDAQ, this could be a potential area that it might want to go to. You know what I'm saying? It just swept the previous day highs here. This is a 1 hour chart. It just swept the previous day highs. It looks like it got up here to like some weekly highs. and recently ran some monthly highs here. That's what this indicator is. Weekly highs, or actually, let me hold on. I always get these confused. All right, so yeah, I was right. So weekly highs is the orange line, daily highs is the green line, and then your monthly highs is this red line here. So if price is gonna come down, it should at least come to this volume imbalance. Let's also do this real quick. Just trying to build like these higher time frame narratives. Okay, it looks even cleaner on SPX, on the S&P 500, ES for future traders. Look at that. For ES, S&P 500, I'm going to be looking for a price to do something like that. All right. Dollar index bullish, indices bearish. Now we just got to figure out how it's going to get there. How can we be a part of it? All right. Let's go check out US 30. What time is it? It's 8:52, so we got about 30 minutes until the open. I'm probably gonna like clip this up because I doubt that I just sit here and let y'all look at me for 30 minutes while the market's not doing anything, because I'm gonna want to trade in the New York session once it's actually open. Right now it's pre-market because it's before 9:30, and there's no news today, so we really gotta wait. We really gotta be patient because there's no news to influence the boosting volume. So got about 30 minutes before the open. It's 8:58, so I'm gonna pause this video and come back when I'm ready to find a trade to execute. All right, we back. It is officially 9:25, so the open in 5 minutes. We about to start hunting. I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm looking at. The Nasdaq, that NASPAC. This one I'm looking at. I'm looking for it to potentially come higher, maybe like use this fair value gap, like go through it, come back, use that support to go higher, maybe clear out some buy side liquidity before going lower down to that big white box, which is um, a gap on the higher time frame key level. So let's see if if Nas wants to come down, then it should go up and take some liquidity out first and then come down. That's the power of three. Um, so let's see. And then like US 30, I'm not touching US 30 today. Look at this. This is just terrible. Unless it starts stretching out or something. No, sir. ES, it's kind of ugly too. I'm not going to lie, but I'm expecting it to do the same thing as Nas. I could be wrong. Let's see. Could be right too. Let's see what it does. Now it's 9:30. Let's see. Think of Nas. Nah, it didn't even come up to take any buy side liquidity before it did. This is ugly right here. I'm not gonna lie. But look where it's going though. So I'm not gonna lie. I may use this area right here as a breaker. If price somehow comes back up here, that's ugly. It's just taking off without me. If price comes back up here, then I may look to sell. Lately, I've been in my bag. Bro told me don't take my foot out of the gas. Damn, Nas, don't do me like that. Terrible. That's how it be sometimes. No FOMO though. No FOMO. See, I would have had to be in this move before the open happened. That's tough right there, though, I'm not gonna lie. I would have liked to catch that. Well, you see my bias was right. Just was not able to, you know, be a part of it. So that's nice. It's a little irritating, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see. Lee, look at that, man. How did I miss that? Well, what time did it happen? Yeah, 5 minutes before the open. Be like that sometimes. Sometimes I'll feel risky and I'll enter on those type of trades though, like right before the market opens, and this is exactly why. Called the direction to a T. Expected it to really like maybe stop some people out first, but honestly, like going up into this gap, gaps are liquidity too, so whatever. So yeah, we just sit on our hands and we just waiting. That's all we can really do. Um, let's see. Now what I'm looking to see is what price plans to do right now. Like what type of discount is it going to give me? And I don't mean that in terms of like above or below the 50% mark. I mean like what type of, is it going to give me a pullback for a continuation? Is this a Judas swing and it's going to be looking to reverse? Because that could also be the case. It could start like pushing up from here to go take out this liquidity here. So that is pretty much my next narrative, right? Because my first narrative already played out, even though I wasn't able to take part in it. Now I'm looking for a price to do one of two things. It's either gonna, start pushing up here to get all this liquidity, right? Or it's going to continue down. It's going to continue down through here and then come back up, retest, and use this area for resistance to go even lower. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to see what price is going to do on the NASDAQ. So this is a 5 minute. We're going to hop down on the 1 minute and see if price starts market structure shifting up. Like if it forms some type of minor structure to break with displacement and then come back to give us a gap, I would probably look to buy and hold it somewhere up in this area, either here or over the top of this liquidity. So let's just see. Need a stronger market structure shift. I want to be a little bit more confident. We don't have any news drivers or anything like that today, so I need something to give me a little bit more confidence. This ain't enough for me, my boy. Show me you want to go up. Show it to me. Oh shit, y'all can't even see that. Hold on, right there. My bad. I need a better market structure shift than that. Maybe this will be one. This is what it is. Trading is waiting. You know what I'm saying? It's watching paint dry sometimes, but you wait for the market to show its hand. This could low key be a buy, but I don't want to be too early. But this could be a buy. Actually, that's not a gap. No, that's not a gap. So I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. I thought this was a gap right here, but it's not. Might need to change my colors. I would like to see this market structure shift on Nas. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a little bit of a counter trend, but if that original drop down was a Judas swing, okay, here we go. So if price comes back to this order block, I'm buying. And which order block? I mean, this right here. Immediate rebalance, I'm getting in. I'm in the trade now. Entry was like a little late, but that's what we got. And I'm going to take the low hanging fruit. I'm going to take it to right here. I'm going to take the majority of it off right here. Take majority off right there. Let's go, Nas. Show me something. Show me something. See, when Nas moves, it's good, man. But sometimes it be, doing shit like this. Come on, Nas. It's a gap there, so it's expected. But I would like to see it go through this gap and then come back, use it as support to go higher. And this is risking almost 14 points to win pretty much 20. So like a 1-on-1 and some change. Let's go, Nas. See that immediate rebalance here? Like left a gap, came right back to it. Pow. Let's go, Nas. Up. Another reason it should go up is, let's pull out the fib. It's lagging right now because I'm trading live, but yeah, we need you to run above equilibrium into a premium. Come on, Nas. Let's go, Nas. Not asking for too much, am I? Maybe. Jesus. See this right here? This is why it'd be hard to trade now sometimes, because just look how it's acting, bro. Look how it's acting. I'm closing it if it go below there too. If it run that stop, I'm not holding it straight. I'll take another one. Come on, Nas. You gonna force me to trade EU today? Jesus. Nas looks like it's gonna force me to trade EU today because I can't trade US 30. It's just going sideways. Come on, Nas. It's sitting in drawdown right now. That's okay. Losses are the cost of doing business. We haven't lost yet. We still good right now. Now, right now, I have a decision to make. Do I want to close this trade in drawdown, like cut the loss early, or do I want to let it play out? Usually, me, I like to let it play out, and let's just see what it does. I gotta see how these next couple candles close. I'm not gonna lie. Right now, I'm back at break even. Come on, Nas, man, you playing. Reprice to that order block, and now it's trying to make moves. Come on, Nas. Power of 3 me. Down and up. Power of 3 me. Let me just see what the 5-minute is looking like. 5-minute looking good. Let's push. That's a gap right there. That's a 5-minute gap though, so we might catch some turbulence. I'm not gonna lie. All this is a 5-minute gap, but I want to see it get filled. Let's go, Nas. I'm not asking for too much. Am I? We was once, at one time, we was best friends. Now you LA, you don't know me. This is why trading Nas be difficult, because look at these wicks, bro. Like, price know where it's trying to go, bro. You got to get to the premium so that the sellers can sell. Go there. Stop playing. I want to see it close above this gap right now. The gap that it keeps rejecting is making it so tough for me, but I want to see it go. I want to see it close above that gap and come back down and use it as support to go higher. Damn, now it's making me sit in consolidation a little bit right now, but it's all good. Patience. I would like for this candle to close bullish. 16 seconds left on it. Come on, Nas. Work with me. We're not asking for too much. Just hit my first TP. Let's go. Let's go. Up. We right there, Nas. We looking good. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on, Nas. Let's go. Oh, let me stop playing. Come on, Nas. Let's go. Get there. I'm about to take a majority of my position off if it gets there. And then decide like if I want to leave a run or not. So this first TP about to get smacked. That's consequent encroachment of this gap. Let's see. Yes, sir. Get there, Nas. Come on, baby. Smack TP. Smack Nas edging me right now. Stop edging me, Nas. I'm about to there we go. There we go. Take some of my position off here. Ooh. Ooh. Push up. That's TP smack. First TP. I may just close my whole position at consequent encroachment right here. Let me see. I haven't taken anything off yet. I'm about to though. Yeah, I'm gonna take something off right now. Yes, sir. And if it gets consequent encroachment, I'll probably close the whole trade right there, which is halfway through this gap. Get there. Get there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there. Great trade. And I am going to close my full position here. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm up $1,600. Ooh, 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 ooh. That was a good trade. That's all I got for this video. To the next one, I'm out.